Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really nice knife. This is a Pro 9-inch fillet knife and it comes like a pro. This is a really cool grip. A lot of design put in this for easily filleting large fish or deboning, and it's designed really well with a holster which can easily clip onto a belt or your pants. That way if you're out fishing, you've got quick access to pull this off and pull this out of here. This 9-inch blade is with German steel, and it is flexible enough that it can actually get around a lot of those deep boning issues around rib cages and that kind of thing. Really nice handle, ergonomic grip on that, and it is rubberized. That way it helps even if it's wet. You also have an area you can hang this up should you choose to. Really a sharp blade, easily going to get in there to fillet anything that you're wanting to fillet or cut. I mean, obviously that's a banana, but you can clearly see it can cut really thin strips, really sharp. If you're cutting into fish, getting in there, going to be really nice for that. And this blade is nice and coated as well, making it stay clean and last a long time. And again, really sharp tip on this as well. So if you've got someone that's a fisherman in your family that wants to have a nice new fillet knife for, helping you cut those wonderful large fish that they get, this would be a great addition to anyone's collection.